welcome back to Life in Every Season. I hope you're having a good day. It's the weekend and we're doing what we always do on the weekends right now, and that's work on the house. But we have some really exciting news to show you guys. Back in, it was February or March-ish, we bought 2 mini splits, and that's going to be our heating and cooling source for this entire house. And they've been sitting in their own little homes in different rooms taking up space. Well, yesterday, hallelujah, thank you Dale and Tom and Bruce, because he worked on it too. We have our first mini split installed and it's working. So you can see the head unit up here. This is an 18,000 BTU unit.
MRCOOL.
MRCOOL. This is going to heat or cool the majority of the house. We have another small one back in for our bedroom because it's the furthest from it.
12,000.
Yeah, 12,000, smaller unit. But yeah, it took them, what, 3 or 4 hours total?
Right.
To install it completely. That's doing the template, getting the hole drilled in the wall for the lines to go through, getting this connected, and that included installing some electrical.
Yes.
And the cool thing is, this little guy comes with a remote control. So we can actually, just pump it up or turn it down however we want. We're still learning how to use it. There's some really cool features with it, but I'm excited about this. And ignore the food on the floor. We have another project going on and you'll see that later too. But before we go outside, I want you to see how much room I have. That entire unit sat here, and it was about this tall. This is where everybody dropped their tools and stuff when they were working on things. But we are going to have another one of these wire racks go into here to free up room in our granddaughter's bedroom. But yeah, we actually have some space in here now. It's nice. And I finally did get around to painting the little stool that Bruce made me. I did that yesterday, as well as painting a door yesterday too. But it has a coat of paint on it. It's been primed, painted, and polished. So let's go outside and I'm going to show you the rest of this. Yes, I still love my new door colors. It's only been a week, but I love them. They finished all the stonework. So our house is just evolving into this beautiful house that we, knew it could be. But
all right, you want to start? You want to start where we left off?
We're down inside, yeah.
So a 3.5-inch hole. Out comes the line set, the wire, and this is the condensation line. And that's when you run AC. It drips. It pulls moisture out of the air. So we're not sure what we're going to do with this yet. If it doesn't make a big puddle, I'll just cut the tube off. If it does make a big puddle, I'm going to tie into the underground line for the gutter on the corner.
Yep.
And get the water away from the house. Yep. And the line set cover, this white plastic covers up what's inside. And Tom and I put this on while Dale ran the electrical. He was done before we were. So this line set's a little fidgety.
So here's the outside part of the unit. When it was running yesterday, you couldn't even hardly hear it. I mean, it's not like a normal, like your conventional air conditioning or heat pump system. And it's just amazing how quiet it is.
Yeah.
And it doesn't, we did not pour concrete pads or anything like that. They make a pad that you can get that's heavy duty. It's plastic, but it's really heavy duty. And that's what we use to put this on. And you can see it's bolted down to it. Here's where the lines go in. And maybe, Bruce, you can give them a little more of an idea of what's going on there.
Well, we're not, I said we were done with electrical. We're not. Dale's going to come back and put a proper box and disconnect and the steel cover over the electrical line. I think it's called Romax. Not sure exactly, but The line set, you can see, comes out of the cover, and also the wiring, and then it just, you can see there the attachments. In the indoor unit, the head unit inside comes pre-wired, so all you have to do is wire the condenser out here.
That's great. That is great. So that has made Bruce and I so happy, because it is getting closer to winter, and we did fine last year. We moved in January of 2022, and we used lots of little space heaters and area heaters, but that was our only source of heat. So to have this installed and have it working has been a huge relief, especially on Bruce's shoulders, because, you know, it's something that not everybody uses. It's not as conventional as an HVAC system. So we were kind of worried about, is it going to work? Did we waste our money? That kind of thing. But true to form, Bruce's research paid off, and it works great. And we're really pleased with it.
I'll show them the neat thing on the stonework. This used to be our door right there, and we put that access to the crawl space is now, it's backer board with plywood, and then they laid stone on it, and we are just attaching it with 4 screws in the corner. The only downside is Dale's putting it in. He said it weighs 70 to 80 pounds, so we're probably going to put some handles on that.
It'll take both of us to take it off. But hopefully we won't be in the crawl space too often.
thought overnight where this line set comes through the wall, that 3.5-inch hole. You don't want to put anything rigid like the great stuff that sets up very hard, because you could squish the condensate line, then your water will back up into the house. So I had an idea overnight. I wanted to redo how this comes out, what we did yesterday. I'm going to use soft, the ROCKWOOL insulation that we insulated the walls, stuff some of that. And then on the outer edge, I'm just going to put some great. Okay, after checking it out, it looks better than I thought. They sent some like modeling clay to put in there from MRCOOL, and I also put big stretch white caulk in there, and that seems to be doing pretty good. But I think I'll hit the outside with a little bit of great stuff and just put the cover back on.
You guys, thank you so much for stopping by to see us. We've got a lot of things going on, and we are hoping you're enjoying the videos. I'm taking a quick break on the steps because I'm tired. We are tired a lot right now, but it's starting to wind down. Again, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Thank you for stopping by. If this video was helpful to you, please give us a like and subscribe.